Welcome, my ownership babes, as we talk about one of my favorites, which is heels. We're going to be talking about the Tom Ford Padlock Sandals. Are they luxury or just hype? Let's talk Tom Ford. First, these heels, I have them in two colors. I have them in the black color and I have them in the flesh color. Now, recently, I just wore the flesh heels, what they call flesh heels. I wore these to an event, John the violinist. So if you can see them with these shoes, they have the gold detail. They have the padlock on the end of the strap of the sandals as well. They are a beautiful, I will say that. These are absolutely beautiful shoes, not to have on display, but to have on your feet. But I would say these are definitely, they can be event shoes because I wore these for about 4 to 5 hours to that show. I also went to dinner prior. So total, maybe, like I said, about 5 hours. But I was ready to get out of the shoe, but I didn't have any blisters or anything. As I always say, it's just depending on the shape of your feet. But these were actually perfect for that event. So if you're looking for a next event shoe for a wedding, some type of shower or some type of show or something like that, these would be great. Now on the casual side, I just don't wear a lot of jeans or denim. I'm more of a dress lady, but these can be paired with jeans, so you can dress these down. Do not let the gold heel fool you. You could dress these down, you could dress them up. These are just, they steal the show, I will say that. Now I will say, as far as the price of these shoes, so these shoes are priced at about, I paid 13, I believe it was around 13, 1400 for the shoe. But in comparison to other shoes, designer shoes, they are slightly, I would say slightly higher for ankle straps, because most ankle strap designer shoes, if you think about the other powerhouses, are around averaging around $1,000. These are very popular, so Tom Ford actually, you have to pay a higher price for these. Now I will say, I do have, you already know, if you've been here for a day or two, you know I love Sam Edelman sandals as well. So I do have, now these are not exactly, they don't have a padlock, they're just regular strappy sandals. Now I wore these to an event this past weekend, and I actually, as you can see, I was dancing in these heels. I walked around in these heels probably the same time, around 4 hours, and still my feet, no blisters. I felt okay. Of course, the strap in the summertime, my feet swells a little as you walk around. They start to get a little tight, but they weren't uncomfortable. So there are affordable options if you do like the Sam Edelman style. They are affordable. But with Tom Ford, are they actually worth it? I would say they're worth it. With the black ones, I can wear just like the flesh. I can wear them. They're versatile. I can wear them with a lot of my season to season wardrobe. They definitely are comfortable to me. I've heard a little mixed reviews. They're not comfortable, but like I said, that's depending on how long you wear them and so forth. They are all, leather heels. And then they are very stylish, very stylish. So I definitely can see why these heels have been around season after season, year after year, these actual heels. So, hey, do you have, I will ask my question to you, do you have these sandals? What are your thoughts on, do you think they're worth $1,000+? I will say in closing, nothing is worth $1,000 if you are in debt. Never put your price of freedom before heels. You're here with the ownership babe, where I am totally debt free, I am mortgage free, and when I make purchases like these, they are definitely guilt free. So it just hits a little bit different. So I challenge you, once you've taken care of the finances, these type of things will be here. These heels have been around now for years. They're not going anywhere. The price may go up, but as I often tell people, don't get that FOMO. Do not get that fear. If the price goes up, that is totally fine. Why? Because after you get out of debt and you save money, you will have money to buy them anyway. And you'll probably get to the point after you're debt free and you'll probably say it's not even worth it. So other than that, I would just say, hey, I really enjoy them. I think they are worth it. But as I said, there are affordable alternatives depending on your ownership journey and where you are. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, we'll talk again about heels, shoes. Have a great day. Hasta luego.